Changing your primary email on Guardian Life is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Guardian Life website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Ensure that the email is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Guardian Life. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.